Hello bakers, and welcome back to day 3 of the 12 Bakes of Christmas, my festive series where I'll be creating a brand new recipe every day to take us right up to Christmas. If you missed yesterday's recipe for these delicious mulled wine trifles, then check out the link down below in the description to catch up. But let's see what new recipe is waiting for us today. Pigs in blankets, or sausages wrapped in bacon, are a Christmas tradition, but we're gonna supersize this one by making the ultimate foot-long pigs in blankets. You can either share this with the family on Christmas Day, or treat yourself. Now for this recipe you're going to need sausage meat, and you can either buy this in the supermarket ready to go, or of course you can make it at home. If you've never made sausages before, then I'll let you into a little secret. Coming up soon in my other series, my Harry Potter Kitchen, is going to be a recipe for homemade sausages, so make sure you subscribe and check it out once it's live. To begin, you'll want to prepare your sausage meat, and for this foot-long pigs in blankets, you'll need about 1 kilogram. Lay down some cling film onto a surface that is about twice as long as you need it to be. You'll want to double line this just to make sure it doesn't split. Place your sausage meat into the middle, cover over with 1 layer of your cling film, and then roll it out into shape. I've measured it out so I know that 3 tiles on my table is a foot, but of course if you don't want to make it exact you can just guesstimate. Once you're happy with your shape and size, finish rolling it up in your cling film and then pop it into the freezer for 20 minutes to firm up so it holds its shape when we wrap it. Now the standard pigs in blanket is just wrapped in 1 piece of bacon, but it's Christmas and we're feeling fancy, so we're gonna make a bacon weave to take our pigs in blanket to the next level. To make your bacon weave, you want to start off by laying down your strips of streaky bacon in a line up to a foot. Next, you want to fold every other piece of bacon up out of the way. Then you can place another 1 or 2 strips of your streaky bacon going horizontally and fold back down your earlier pieces of bacon. Now you want to move over one and fold the other pieces of bacon up over the piece of bacon you just put down. Bacon, bacon, bacon. And it's as simple as that. You repeat the process, laying down a horizontal strip, folding down, folding the next ones up, placing down another horizontal strip, folding them down, folding the next ones up, etc, etc, etc. That's a lot of bacon talk, but it's gonna look pretty when it's finished. Once your bacon weave is ready, it's time to take your sausage meat out of the freezer and place it into the middle. To seal the ends, I've used 2 more pieces of streaky bacon to cover them up. And I'd recommend doing your bacon weave on a silicone mat because then it's really easy to fold it over the top and roll your sausage. And it really is as simple as that. All that's left to do is lightly grease a baking tray, pop on your pigs in blankets, and then bake it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for an hour and a half. It sounds like a long time, but the bacon will make sure the sausage meat still stays nice and juicy throughout the cooking process. So there you go, once your bacon begins to go nice and golden brown and crispy, you know it is good to go. Pop it onto a serving plate, slice it up, and it's time to eat. Tuck in. So there you go, another simple recipe, but one that is definitely bound to impress the bacon lover in your life. So why not give this recipe a go and let me know in the comments what you thought. That is all for today's recipe, but make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get an alert tomorrow when the next recipe from the 12 Bakes of Christmas is here.